Okay, and this question here wants me to find the area of these parallelograms, okay? So the area of a parallelogram, and let's look at B. So for B, the area of a parallelogram is base times perpendicular height. Okay, now in maths, right, B always refers to base, okay, and H always refers to perpendicular, right, if I can get this to right, perpendicular height. Okay, which means basically it's the height that's at right angles to something. Okay, so you look for the right angle sign if you're a bit stuck. Let's think about this. The base is the base of one of the sides, or one of the sides of the triangle, and so this here is our base. Okay, so that's B. Our perpendicular height is something that's at right angles to that, which is this line here. Okay, which goes up this way, and so that's at right angles to the base here. Okay, and so this length here going up this way and here is our perpendicular height, which is 7. So all we do is we then think, okay, well our base is 4 times our perpendicular height, which is 7, and so I work out 4 times 7 is 28. I think about my units. Meters times meters will give me meters squared, okay, as my units. Right. Let's have a look at E. Okay, so with E, okay, what we want to think of is we have, again, our area equals our base times the perpendicular height to that base. Okay, our base will always be, right, our base will always be one of the sides, okay, of the triangle, right? So when we have a look here, this here is my base, right, which is 2.1. Okay, so that's my base there, because that's the length of one of these sides. Okay, I then want to this side here, right, if I continue that side through, right, what I want is something that's perpendicular to that, which is this here, and that's that length there. So that length there is perpendicular, and that's 3, and that's giving me my height basically between my sides here. Okay, so if I think about that, what that's really doing, okay, is it's actually here. If I draw this line and continue drawing this line in terms of a perpendicular line through here, okay, that's parallel to it, what it's doing is it's giving me my perpendicular height to this base. Okay, and so what I end up with is that that's my height. Okay, and so I end up with being, it's equal to my base 2.1 times my perpendicular height, which is 3. If I multiply that out, that will be 6.3. Then I need to think of my units are centimeters times centimeters, so it will give me centimeters squared. Okay, and so that's my answer there for the area of this parallelogram.